Hi everyone. Today I'll be going to show you on how to use IFTTT. This is an app wherein it do a simple automation, but in here you just need to click, and you don't need to do real automation. So this is quite easy, so I'll show you how to do it. All right, so you can go to your internet browser and you can type in ifttt.com. all right, so if you don't have the IFTTT yet, then you can sign up. So you can sign up using your email, or maybe you can sign up using your Apple account, maybe your Google account or your Facebook account. So for example, I would want to use my Facebook account, right? So just click here, and then so I would want to skip the Slack because I already have the Slack. So for example, I already have my account set up. So I would want first to go to my existing account. Okay, so I would sign in to my account. So the same thing, you may need to key in your email address or password, but in case you wouldn't like and you just would like to sign in with your existing apps. For example, me, I would want to sign up using my Google account, so I just click in sign in with Google, and then I'll choose what, because I have a lot of account in Google, so I just choose this one. All right, and now I am here in my, what we call this, in my applet board. So I have here a lot of applet that I created previously, but for today I would like to add another applet, which having my account, my new contact in my iPhone to be notified. All right, so you may need to go to your profile and then click on create, because we would be creating another applet, right? So IFTTT is if plus this then that. It means that if this then that. The this is an application, or whatever application do you have, to trigger to another apps. All right, so in this case I would, because we're creating, I would click the this. All right, so here there's a lot of application that you would want to use. Right here there's a lot, but for today I want to create a simple one, which is very important to me, that I would want my contacts to be notified in my Gmail. All right, so instead of choosing an app here, but you can also do that if you wanted to. But as for me, it's simple. I just want to a contact. So I have Google contacts, I have iOS contacts, I have 365 contacts in Office. So I would want my iOS contact, I would want my iPhone contacts. Okay, so any contact created in my iPhone, I would be notified. Alright, so but here, if you would have new trigger suggestion, you can suggest. Alright, so what new trigger would you like to see on IFTTT? You can probably put here an action, like for example, you would like your contacts to be saved in your Google Drive. You can put it here, and then how would you use this trigger? Or of course you would put here the Google. Alright, so then submit. But as for me, I just would like this, simple as this, any new contact. Okay, I'll just click here, and then so we've already added, this is the this, right? So which is the contact, this icon is the contact, and then I would want to click the dot. So the dot is another app where you would like to send the action that you are requesting. Alright, so choose action service. As for me, I would want, but we can actually browse here. There's a lot of apps here that you can choose, but as for me, it's better for me, it's quicker for me, easier for me to just type in Google, or I'll just type in email instead, because I want it to be I want to be notified via email. Right, so I just click email, and then again, there's another suggestion here. If you would like to have a new action that you would like to suggest, you can type it here, right, and then submit. But as for me, I just would like to use this action will send you an HTML based email. Images and links are supported. Alright, so just click here, send me an email. Alright, and then here you can see you can change the subject if you would want to. There's an ingredient here, so what are the subject do you want to put in here? Name, phone number, email address, whatever. I just retain it as it is. In the body, there's also an ingredient in the body. In here, what information you would like to see in your email once you are notified with IFTTT. So name, phone number, email, address, organization or company, job title, notes, date added. So you can delete anyone here. So again, as for me, I just put it as it is, because I have various contacts. Some they do have organization or company. I know the organization or the company. I do put some notes. For example, this is prospect, for example, customer, or a new friend or something. So you can put here notes. But as for me, I just keep it as it is, because my contacts varies. Alright, so I don't want to change, but in case you wanted to delete something, you can just delete this here. Okay, Okay, I'll just click the create action. And then, so here's the subject. As you may see, I wasn't changed the title of the app, that subject, or maybe you can change this one in the previous screen that I showed to you. But as for me, I just would like, because you know what, I would want it, you know, the action to be, you know, as detailed as this one. If new contact added, then send me an email at juliet.chambla@gmail.com, rather than putting a subject here which maybe I may forget what it is all about. So I just, you know, put it as it is. All right, so, and then turn on the receive notification when this applet runs. Then turn it on, right? And then click finish. Alright, now yours all set. So if there would be new contact added, then send me an email at juliet.rambla@gmail.com. Let me see. So just give me a few seconds. I'll just adding a contact in my iPhone. So name, John Matthew Mahika, phone number 0917-389-5842, and then email address john.mahika@gmail.com. So address, I may leave it blank. Organization, Alorica. Job title, I may leave it blank. Notes, I don't want to put any notes in here. Okay. Alright, I just added a contact in my iPhone. And you know what? It may take a few minutes before the action will be executed in whatever action you may want. Alright, so let me see. Okay, I'll go to my Gmail. Hold on, I'll go to my Gmail. So open a new. I would like to open a new window, right? And here's my email. And where is it? Here. As you can see here, yeah, it's here. So it's now added, or it's now, I was notified. What I mean is I was notified by IFTTT through my Gmail. So this is how it looks like. And you know, this will be added only for the new contacts that I'll be adding in my iPhone from the time I created the app or the applet. Okay, so that's it. And if you wanted to do some other, you know, applet creation, then you can, you know, you can do it yourself. It's so easy. So you just need to click on your profile, and then you just click create, and then here you go. You just click the this, and then choose the application, and then what trigger do you want, or what action do you want, and then click the that, and then turn it on. So it's so easy, right? So you can try it yourself. So it makes your life easier with this. All right, so thank you so much for watching.